Hello and welcome YouTube. Today we're gonna do a video about the Raspberry Pi 4, how to convert Raspberry Pi 4 to Android TV version 10. So in this video we're gonna do a steps how to make your Raspberry Pi to Android TV version 10. So first of all, we need to give a credit to the developer Konstakang. This is the Konstakang website, konstakang.com, and you will see the link on the description. Also, you can check the steps and all the updates from Konstakang on his website. So very much, it's an amazing a platform to make the Android TV working on the Raspberry Pi 4. This website is available under the description, so you will see the link, and then you can download the files that you need. So first of all, you need to download the first file that has the Android TV, which is the file. It's called Lineage 17.1 2020 1120 unofficial Konstakang. So you need to download this file first, and then there is another file. So this is the download link here on Konstakang website, and then you need to download another file, which is the application that you need to install on your Raspberry Pi. So the first file, two files actually, yes. So two files you need to download, and then the first file you need to copy to the micro SD card by using the Raspberry Pi imager. If you don't know how to do that, you will see the link in the description for the Raspberry Pi imager. Just download that and then select your SD card drive and select the file and then copy that. So it's gonna take a while. It's probably about 10 to 15 minutes to get that image created on your micro SD card. And then the second file, you just this is the website for the Raspberry Pi. So very much you need to go to raspberrypi.org/downloads and then download the Raspberry Pi imager. And the second file, you need to copy it to your USB thumb drive, and you need that when you set up the Android TV on your Raspberry Pi. So let's get started to download the first file, and then you can create an image on your micro SD card. And keep in mind, the second file you just need to copy and paste to your thumb drive. Okay, so let's choose the operating system. We need to choose to custom, go to the bottom, and then choose the file. That's the file you need, and copy that, and then choose the drive. In my case here, it's drive N, so it might be a different on your computer. So just make sure you choose or you select the correct drive. It's gonna wipe down everything. Just double check on the drive, and then once you get everything corrected, just hit create, and then click yes. It's gonna making an image to your micro SD card. It probably takes about 10 to 15 minutes. In this case, you just need to wait until get the image created successfully. You will see the message. It will shows up on the screen, and once you get that completely done, it will be ready to insert that micro SD card in your Raspberry Pi 4. So now almost done. Here we go. We got the message. It's completely done and ready to use. Just hit continue, and that's it. And then take the micro SD card, put it in your Raspberry Pi 4, and let's get started. For the setup on the Raspberry Pi, just connect your Raspberry Pi with HDMI cable to your TV. And we started the installation, and you need that USB drive. Don't forget the USB drive that has the second file, so we're gonna use it. Okay, so just insert the card and we're good to go. All right. All right, so now after we have the micro SD card image created, so we can start working on the Raspberry Pi 4. So you need to insert the micro SD card that you have created by using the Raspberry Pi imager, and then power up the Raspberry Pi. So yeah, just very simple. Connect the Raspberry Pi to TV. So I don't have a IR remote, so I'm using my external or wireless keyboard. So just power it up, and it's gonna load the Android TV version 10. It might take a little bit. It's gonna take a while, so just be patient. Don't power off, don't disconnect anything, just keep it until get everything loaded. So now we have that Raspberry the Android TV setup started. It's searching for the accessories now. If you have any Bluetooth devices you want to connect with the Raspberry Pi, just be patient until get whatever you have connected or displayed. All right, it's gonna take a little bit. So this setup, it takes about 20 to 30 minutes to get everything completely set up and ready. So just give it some time, and then you can start the process. You cannot skip that one. Okay, so it's done. So go to next, and then accept the end user agreement, and then choose your language, which is United States, English United States, and choose your time zone. In my case, so I'm in Pacific time, so it's gonna be -8 GMT. So once you have your time zone, choose it, then hit next, and then next again, and then next, until you get asking for a PIN code. If you want to add a PIN code, in my case I don't need a PIN code, and then skip, hit start. Okay, so now you will see the screen is completely empty, has no apps. So you need to go to device preferences, and then go down to build, and then press build several times. It may be like maybe like about 7-8 times until you will get the screen. You will see the message on the screen. It says developer developer option enabled, or kind of. So now once you have the developer is already enabled, developer options is already enabled. So you need to enable two things. Okay, so the first thing, you need to enable root access, and then hit OK, and then go down to enable the terminal or local terminal. Just enable local terminal. Here we go. And then go back to the home screen. All right, so everything is ready now. So click on the apps and you will see terminal or local terminal. So in this case, you need to type SU and then hit enter. So you need to allow first. And then type SU, and then hit enter. And then you need to type RPI4 recovery.sh, and then hit enter. So now it's done. You need to reboot the device. Just hit type reboot and enter. All right, so now it should be rebooting in recovery mode. So in this case, now on the recovery mode, as you see early, we have two files. One has been created to the micro SD card, and the other one, you need to copy and paste that file to your USB flash drive. Excuse me. And now on the recovery mode, swipe to allow modification. And once you hit that, it's gonna take you to the recovery screen options. And then, yeah, I'm sorry, I'm using the wireless keyboard. Actually, it's not like when you are using a remote, basically. But this one, okay, swipe to allow modifications. All right, and then now go to install. And then when you click on the install, choose local storage. Okay, so you need to select the storage. So we need to select the USB thumb drive. That's my USB. Here we go. And click OK. And then now you will see that's the file we need. Open underscore gapps-arm-10.0. So then you select that file and then swipe to confirm flash. All right. So this one, it might takes about 2-3 minutes. You need to wait. Just be patient until get the message at the end. It says done and completed. So just wait until get that message appear on the screen. It's very much probably takes about 2-3 minutes. and it's currently installing. It's currently installing the application that we need for the Android TV version 10. Okay, it's almost done now. Just few more things to install, and then you will see the message that says done. So once you get that, all right, so it says done, and then click on wipe Dalvik. All right, so then swipe to wipe, and then go up on the top left corner. Okay, click on the top left corner. It's gonna take you to the main option or a main screen, and then you need to go to wipe, and then swipe to factory reset. That's it. So once you get that done, then go back to the top left and click on the main menu on the top left. It will take you to the main menu or main option screen, and then go to mount and choose the first one. Check the boot. Okay, and then go back to the top left, click on that. It's gonna take you back to the main menu screen again. All right, and then click on reboot the system. Okay, reboot the system. Here we go. So you got everything completed, installed, wipe it, ready to use. So now you will see a different screen with Android TV login screen, and you just need to follow the steps on the screen and you should be fine and good to go. So yeah, we just need to wait until get that screen so we can get Android TV set up, successful and ready. It's gonna take a little bit, maybe another couple minutes, or 3 minutes maybe. So it's for the first time. That's the only thing for the first time use or first time setup. It's gonna take a little bit, and once we get that, you will see the screen that's asking you for your Google account. So it almost done. So this one, it's just loading the applications that you installed from your USB thumb drive. All right, so we are done. Perfect. So now you need to go to the Google setup screen. It's gonna ask you to pair your remote. If you have IR remote, then that screen, it's yours. So you need to set up your IR remote. In my case, I don't have IR remote. I'm using the external keyboard. So I'm gonna choose the English United States and then go to continue, and then it's gonna ask you to log in here. Okay, so you have two options. You can use your mobile phone or your computer or tablet and then log in normally. So okay, so now we have successfully logged in to my Google account, and then hit accept to the agreement, and just very much normal steps as you do on your Android devices. Here we go. So we have everything is completely done and installed. You see, we have apps now. All right, so we have YouTube, so you can add Google Play to your list. So now you can go to Google Play to download and install any application you need. So yeah, very much simple, easy, awesome. So you can go to search and you can search for an application. You just need to allow first by using the, if you have a remote with a voice command, you can use your voice command. But in my case, like I said, I don't have a remote, so I'm using my wireless keyboard. So I'm just gonna type Hulu. I'm searching for the Hulu application. So you will get that application. Here we go. Just click on it and hit install. You should be fine. You can go back to the main screen. You will see it on your apps list, and then you can play whatever. So YouTube, and then you can go with your Google account. Very simple steps. You have Android TV on your Raspberry Pi 4. That's such an amazing one. So yeah, as I mentioned earlier, this credit can be added to konstakang.com. So yeah, you can go to konstakang.com website. You will see all the instructions, everything from the konstakang.com. I will put the link of this for this developer on the description, and you will see. Here we go. So you go about. You will see the Android TV on Raspberry Pi version 10 on Raspberry Pi 4. You should be fine, and such a good one. I love this one. So yeah, thank you very much, and feel free to subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up, and thank you very much, and have a great day. Bye bye.